You don't have an audience online. You don't have a website. You don't want to create one or a blog and start publishing content and waiting maybe for months or years to establish an online business. You simply want a shortcut. You want to make money online fast without waiting and working too much. You are in the exact right place. This video is for you. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, I'm Hassan from Educate, and today I'm really so excited to publish this video. Today, simply I will share with you the roadmap, how you can make money online fast without having a website and without having an audience, starting from scratch. Not only that, then I will show you how I did this last week. So I experienced it, I tested it, I know it works, and today I'm sharing with you the roadmap and my experience. Everything on the screen, my dashboards, what I did, everything in detail, and what's nice, in less than 10 minutes. So if you are ready, let's start together. But before, don't forget, if it's the first time for you here on my channel and you're interested to watch more videos about digital marketing, online business, how to make money online, crypto, real case studies, real experience, don't forget, please smash the subscribe button, like the video, and let's start together. So what is the fastest way to make money online? If you are following me, you know I explain a lot of business models, a lot of methods to build a business online, like blogging, creating content, SaaS services, providing freelancing services, and much more. But today I want to share a specific method that many people works with online, and it's 100% guaranteed, 100% working. And it's so simple as a concept, and maybe you already know it, but you didn't know how to apply it or how to start. In short, the easiest way to make money online is to sell something online. Sell a product online. Very nice. Now the main questions are, what are the products that you are going to sell? Maybe you tell me now, I don't have a product. Okay, don't worry, just some patience. And the second important question is how to sell it. We said we don't have an audience. How to sell this product. So this video is about how to sell a product without a website, without audience. So let's answer the first question. What to sell online? Mainly we have two types of products, physical products and digital products. Physical, like t-shirts, like electronics, anything you want to sell, clothes, anything. Now to be honest with you, I didn't experience yet selling physical products. I am doing some research now, I'm doing some tests. When I finish, I will share it with you. But I have a lot of experience selling digital products. So this is what we are going to focus in this video. What do you mean by digital product? Anything. Courses, ebooks, swipe files, graphics, designs, Instagram post packages, whatever digital product you can sell. You can simply now go to Google, write down digital products examples. You will get hundreds of examples that you can get and sell. But now for the sake of this video, I will pick two examples just to narrow down and continue our work. I will pick ebooks and courses. Now you may tell me, I don't know how to write an ebook. I don't know how to create a course. Again, we have a lot of other examples. Please do some research from your side. We have designs you can create with Canva, Instagram posts, swipe files, anything you can sell online, anything. Again, to our example, I will pick ebooks and courses. You can simply go to websites like buyqualityplr.com or theplrstore.com or idplr.com and buy a PLR product. What is PLR product? It's simply a product that you have the right to reuse and sell. You have total rights to sell. So super easy. Go here as an example and search for an ebook, a course. We have a lot of stuff here, free and paid, you can get, and you will have the right to sell. Now in my experience, it's really So important to edit what you buy. So just do some editings, create your own version of the ebook or the course or whatever you are getting. Create your own version, then go and sell it. You can see here the UPLR products. We have here videos, software, applications, ebooks, templates, graphics, music. We have a lot of stuff you can download, have the rights, edit them, and then sell it. Okay, so the idea is somehow clear. Now in my case, going back to my test, to my experience, I mainly sell online courses. You know, here in my academy, if you go here, I have a list of online courses. So what I did last week, I picked this course, this one here. But I know a lot of you will tell me, hey Hassan, you already have audience, you can sell it. This is why I tried to sell this course without my audience, away from my audience. So what I did is I promoted it outside my websites, outside everything. We will see now how. And this is what takes us to the second question, is how to promote the digital product, how to sell it, how to promote it without audience. But before we move on to my real case study and tell you how you can promote a product without audience, I want to announce a new giveaway for this month. A lot of you asked me about the new giveaway. So today we have a new giveaway, $300 for 3 winners. If you want to join, you can find the link in the description below to join the giveaway. Let's now continue our work. So how to sell this product, this digital product? Simply, we have two methods, the free method and the paid method. If you want super fast results, you need to go with the paid method. And this is what I did, where I made my first revenue from the second day. If you want free method, you can simply go with the free traffic methods I explained in my free course about getting traffic. You can find a link in the description below or somewhere here on the screen. I will not now repeat how to get free traffic to your web pages, products, and so on. You can check my free course. Now here we are talking about fast method, super fast method, which is running paid ads. What type of paid ads I ran? Let's see. I will go here and open google.com. Okay, if I search here for build SMTP server, this keyword, whatever, you will find now that we have an ad here on Google Ads. And you can see here is my video. Anyway, so the idea is we can run paid ads on Google search ads. Why I picked this? Because I believe it's the best option for selling products. Because, as an example, when someone searches for best microphone for YouTubers, what do you think? Someone is searching for this keyword. Mainly he is looking for a microphone to buy. So the idea behind people searching for such keywords is buying something. As an example, best WordPress course, other keyword. So someone is trying to find the best WordPress course to learn. You can see here we have ads. So I ran a Google search ad campaign. Let's see my results. Here is my campaign. I will refresh the screen now. You will see this is my campaign. I set a budget for $20 per day only to test this. What happened is I got around 479 clicks from Google search results. I got 14 conversions with a conversion rate about 2.92%. Not bad. How much I paid? I paid $127. How much I made? 14 conversions, and the course price is $59. If you open here our browser, this is the link I am promoting. 40% discount on this course. It's around $59. So if you calculate my revenue, 59 by 14 minus 127, $699 in 7 days. Divide by 7, it is $99.8 per day. I started this campaign last week on Monday exactly. Today we are 25 Sunday, so it's around 7 days. You see? So this is the fastest way you can make money online. Picking a product, running a paid ad campaign, and specifically using Google search ads because it's the best choice for selling something through Google ads. And this is my results from the last week. So we finished the 10 minutes. I explained the strategy and my example. As I promised you, only 10 minutes. But I still have two important points. Before you go and start applying, you have to understand and know. The first one is how I created this campaign. I will show you a fast walkthrough how I created this campaign, and I have an important point to mention also after it. So please focus, it's only a couple of minutes. So how to create a campaign inside Google Ads. I will not now sign up, just sign up to Google Ads. Here you can create a new campaign. And then we can select website traffic to get traffic to our course or whatever you are selling, the landing page that you want to sell with. Then you will select search as the campaign type. So you want search traffic. Here you set the business website. I will select my business website. I will go somehow fast. I want to focus on one important thing here in the campaign. Set the budget, the daily budget. Then go bidding. I will select only Google. And here I selected only the United States. Select whatever countries you want. Usually I select the top tier countries. Then go next. Here is our core point. The keywords. The keywords. Before you continue, go to the tools settings and click on Keyword Planner and open in a new tab. Here we have the Google Keyword Planner. This tool will help you discover keyword ideas that people are searching for, and you can get some clicks with the best cost. Click here on Get Search Volume Forecasts, and here you need to paste a list of keywords that you want to target. How to get a list of keywords? You can use any free keyword tool. As an example, go to HSuperTools free keyword research tool. This is a free platform I developed. It's totally free. Go here as an example, or maybe the YouTube keyword tool. It will give you more ideas and say WordPress best course, an example. And here you will get a list of keywords. You can see a lot of keywords, 33 keywords. We can just select them, whatever, anything, copy them, go here, paste, and simply get started. And you can see now here you can select the country you want. It will show you each keyword, how much monthly searches we have, and the page bid, how much, the low range and the high range, how much people are paying when someone clicks on these keywords or these ads. So in this way you need to do some keyword research. I know this requires a full course, but I'm giving you some ideas. You can also go here to the SEO question explorer and say WordPress, anything. Will give you a lot of question ideas here. You can also copy them and go to the keyword tool and see the results. So you have to pick the correct keywords in order not to waste your money on nothing and get the exact keywords that people are searching for so you can sell your product. From this point, I will navigate to the second important point. After I mentioned this, now you have to understand something that you have to learn first. Before you run any campaign on Google or anywhere, you have to learn because we have a high chance that you will lose your money from the first campaigns. So it's very important to learn how to run campaigns, how to run Google ads, how to run Facebook ads, whatever network you want to use, maybe native ads, you have to learn first. So dedicate some time to learn, pick a product, test with a small budget. Then when you start seeing revenue, start increasing and scaling your campaigns. I hope the idea is clear. If you have any questions, anything you want, comment them below. Again, I know that we need more details to explain this, but in this video, I show you the roadmap and my example. If you want me to create a full course about Google Ads, go in detail step by step, Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to join the giveaway, subscribe, like the video, and see you in the upcoming videos.